miraculous escape at Onda, it's in Satari Taluka. This truck would have almost run over and crushed a motorcyclist under his wheels. The way he came out from on the main road, as we can see directly on the scene, without looking left and right, and the motorcyclist who tried to avoid him but still was caught almost at the last minute of his life, last minute of this incident. He had a very narrow escape and a very miraculous escape, and we can say only God saved him. This is how the mining trucks operate in Goa, with all their migrant drivers who do not even know what they are doing or what they are driving, and for the competition that they are having to getting more trips. This is the result of that. It's obvious that the truck driver is very much frightened, even though he is trying to explain his side, but at the same time it is very clear that it is the mistake of the mining truck that would have rammed and killed the motorcyclist. It was truly a very narrow and a miraculous escape for the motorcyclist.